How's everybody doing? It's a chilly evening out here. I haven't put the stove in here or got anything hooked up yet. Still got to move some stuff around, but we'll get there soon. Ain't nothing Filson can't take care of right now. And a 200-watt bulb above my head. But anyway, how's everybody doing today? Hope everybody had a good weekend and start of this week. I know the weekend was pretty good for me. Got a lot of stuff done. Really did. But what I got here is it's the Vise. It's the Vise I got over at my house. We're gonna show you how we disassemble this thing and assess some stuff that needs to be assessed on this thing. So anyway, well, let's just pull y'all down here and just get to business. All right, hopefully that looks better. Fiddled around with that for a minute. Sorry about that. Let's throw some gloves on because not too into getting grease on me right at the moment. But first things first, let's just crank this thing out. Yep, we're still fine. I mean, you can see how stiff this thing is. I went ahead and cranked it out a good way so we didn't have to worry about watching that. But let's just get this thing out. Hopefully I'm not shaking y'all too bad. Definitely had a good weekend though. Now I got the stove and woo, look at that, sticky. I put that sticky stuff in there, didn't I? We'll get to that. I don't really, there's not a whole lot to these vices. Getting that cleaned out right there. We'll take and brake clean and sandblast and get all that crud out of there. I don't know. Yeah. Get all that stuff. It's really hard to see in there. But next thing we do is just pop this out. Turn your deals, which loosens that plate on the bottom. Loosens. I need to figure out a good way to fasten that. Which will probably just be a piece of carried bolt and some thread, and we'll have a pin for that side. Never have understood how people break those things. That's ready. That's ready. Take your flat blade screwdriver. Most of these are set on there with flat blades. Man, that thing's torqued on there. Woo! Let's get the right screwdriver. If we have the right screwdriver. Bear with me, folks. All right, we might have the right screwdriver now. We'll definitely worry about that in a minute. We might be able to try this side. I doubt it'll work because this thing is just rusted in there. Might have to. We're gonna have to soak this in parts cleaner or something. Yeah, I'm gonna have to soak that. Yeah, definitely have to soak that to get that cleaned out, but pause for cause. All right, we're just doing one thing at a time here. Kind of going slower at the moment. So really don't know what we're getting into here, but it's just nasty, gummy stuff right here. We're taking the thread out of it that holds that on. That's a number 12 or 11. So I think this is probably made overseas if I had to guess. But Boom. All right, this piece is fully disassembled, and you can see what kind of crud we're dealing with here. Just that's what's in this thing. Oh, here we go. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, that's what's in this. Just old crusty, dirty grease. It's disgusting. That's good. We'll figure out, probably soak this. Actually, you know what? This vise was painted with those jaws on it. We might do the same and then take a buffer to those. And then we're almost done here, folks. There's a cotter pin in here, I think. Yep. Straighten that out. Turn it. I use these Leathermans all the time, but I should honestly get some better ones. We ain't got enough eye out. We're gonna put a new cotter pin in this, people. That's another reason why it's a little difficult to get out. That's what we'll do. Grab that. There it is. Finally got that cotter pin out. That was a booger. Washer, spring, pull out that way. This piece, I'll probably just leave that on there. Yeah. I say I'll just leave that on there. Got some handy dandy vice grips that says I won't. That's threaded on the end. There you go, folks. She's disassembled. Besides the jaws, I'll have to. That's what I'll do. I'll just paint these and then just paint right over them jaws and then wire reel that paint right off there, because those things are Loctited on there or something. I'll let you know if I can get the jaws off. Right at the moment we can't though, because we just ain't got the tools for that. Anyway, that's it, and then we'll go take it, get it sandblasted, and I'll show y'all guys that process, and we'll be good. This is part one of the Vise restoration. You guys take care. Like and subscribe as always, and have a good week. Thanksgiving's coming up. Love y'all. Bye.